I need to ask you this question now too. So we talked about your video, obviously, when you had 60,000, and that was like a wow moment that this thing's going somewhere. But when did you genuinely know you were gaining traction? Because our introduction was saying you have over 2 million followers on TikTok, 191,000 on Instagram. Like this thing really evolved and it evolved quickly. Can you talk to me about that and where your kind of headspace is at today too? Because it's still evolving, it's exponential.
Yeah, do you know, it feels like a whirlwind to sort of look back on it. It was, yeah, so November, um, and it started to grow. And I think that's where the apps are just as addictive for the creators as they are for people just kind of scrolling, aren't they? Because you get a little bit of traction and you get, some positive feedback and you think, yay, and then you go and make some more videos. And so I think we just got onto this sort of, well, and I don't really know if I even had a vision or a strategy. I just thought, oh, people like it, okay, let's go for it. And I had that idea in my head of wanting to share, this education and things about mental health, and then just kept going with it. And then once lockdown happened here in sort of March time, we at that time we were gaining a lot, so it was maybe kind of 100,000 followers or something a month on a good month. And then in one of the months during lockdown, it went to 250,000 in a month. And I
Wow.
think that is just a sign of not only that lots of people were on TikTok because it was lockdown, but also
Mhm.
for them to choose to follow someone who's sharing mental health content. um, I think that was just a real sign that people, out there are hungry for this sort of information and this sort of discussion. So um, yeah, but I don't think it had a kind of set strategy. It's just been, this rocket was taking off, so I'm just grabbing on for dear life, seeing what happens.